Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Today we are going to tell you about Kiwi Browser for Android. It's fast with incredible page load speed. Run Google Chrome extensions on it. Powerful ad blocker. Cryptojacking protection. Night mode. Block annoying notifications. Translate into 60 languages and much more. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Google Play Store, search Kiwi Browser. Here is the browser. Install this browser. Read more about this browser from here. What's new? Read about this app from here. You can read it yourself. Browser is installed now. Open it. Here is how it looks like. Here are the extensions from Google Chrome. Open Kiwi Web Store. Install any extension. Desktop site. Hide annoying ads. Turn on night mode. Turn off night mode. Settings. Here are the settings: search engine, autofill and payments, password, notification, privacy, languages, download location, downloads, all pages, video, audio, images, documents, others, settings, translate any web page, auto detect language or specify any language, page is already in English. So this is all about Kiwi Browser. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.